Enjoy sparkling clean dishes thanks to this Hotpoint Integrated Dishwasher, offering an intense cleaning performance while helping the environment. With a height-adjustable top tray, you can make extra space in the basket below for all your large pots, pans and dishes. Great flexibility so all your cookware can be washed in one load. The half-load function allows you to run a mini cycle which uses less water than a full load and is rated A++ on energy efficiency. Ideal when you don't have enough for a full load, you can get your dishes clean without wasting energy or money. The inverter motor uses new algorithms and improved insulation, so it runs at just 46 decibels, while giving more power with precise control when cleaning, bringing a quiet, powerful wash so you can put the dishwasher on at any time without disturbing the whole house. Experience spotless results after every wash with this Hotpoint Integrated Dishwasher, delivering adaptable storage space for all your crockery and utensils.